how to add or remove VoiceOver shortcut in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, tap on the Add button at the top here. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on Add a control. Next, in the control list, we scroll down to the bottom and go to Vision Accessibility. In here, tap on VoiceOver, and VoiceOver shortcut will be added to the control center. In here, you can drag on the handle to make it larger, or you can make it smaller. And then after that, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, when you want to turn on or turn off VoiceOver, you can use the shortcut from the control center. So tap on it.
Alert. Start voiceover tutorial button. Use voiceover. Voiceover with allow.
So we have to turn it on.
Airplane mode.
To switch it off,
selected.
I will tap on it.
Voiceover.
Then I will double tap.
Voiceover. Voiceover off. Airplane mode. Alert. Or enable airplane. Airplane mode. Selected. Voiceover off.
And that's it. That is how you can add the VoiceOver shortcut to the control center. To remove it, just tap on the Add button, then tap on the Remove button, and there you'll be able to remove the shortcut in the control center. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.